Hello everyone, welcome to this exciting episode of Prompt with Pal. Today we are unlocking a powerful combo, Copilot Studio and Azure AI Foundry, and why they are better together. Ever wished how your low-code agent could think like a fine-tuned GPT model trained on your enterprise data, or that your pro-code model could be deployed instantly across Microsoft 365? That's exactly what this partnership enables. In this episode, we will build a smart agent in Copilot Studio and seamlessly plug in the model from Azure AI Foundry. Whether you're a citizen dev or a pro-code warrior, you will see how both worlds now collaborate to build intelligent, scalable agents. Let's dive in. So Copilot Studio lets you build intelligent agents quickly from IT Helpdesk to HR onboarding assistant. But here is a challenge. What if you want your agent to speak your domain language, follow your escalation SOPs, or use your internal terminology? That's when you need to go beyond the built-in models. And that's where Azure AI Foundry steps in, giving you the power to plug in your own brain. Today I'll show you two ways to do this. First, by switching the entire agent's model to your own model. Second, by bringing in your model just into specific prompt blocks, both using Bring Your Own Model from Azure AI Foundry. So let's get started. We are in the settings of our IT Helpdesk Agent. By default, it uses Microsoft hosted GPT-4o, ideal for general reasoning, document generation, conversation classification, and as you may know, GPT-5 is also something that is available today. Let's test it out. I ask, I can't connect with Wi-Fi, getting a certificate error, and the agent replies with common troubleshooting steps. Restart the device, re-enter the Wi-Fi credential, use the network troubleshooters. It's a good answer, but there is a problem. It misses the internal fix the Contoso's IT team wants user to try first, running the certificate refresh tool. The generic model doesn't understand our internal priority logic. So let's change the model. So from the Generative AI tab, we switch from GPT-4o to connect a model from Azure AI Foundry. We have already deployed a fine-tuned GPT-4o model in the Foundry, trained on years of IT ticket data with SOP, internal terminologies, and solution priority logic. We fill in the target URI for the model that we are bringing in, the deployment name, the API keys, and the informations that is required. From the Azure AI Foundry, I can get all of these information and fill it here and name this connection fine-tune assistant. Now the agent runs on our tuned model. Result, when we try the same prompt, we cannot connect to Wi-Fi, certificate error. The agent starts with run the certificate refresh tools from the IT portal. Then it lists secondary steps like restarting the adapter, re-adding the credential. Why the improvement? Because your Bring Your Own Model was trained on our own SOPs, escalations, and logic. When to use your Bring Your Own Model to response generation? When your entire agent needs to think differently, ideal for deep, consistent, and domain reasoning. Now, what if you don't want to change the entire agent model? What if you want only to apply a custom model to a specific prompt like classification, summarization, or intent extraction? That's where Bring Your Own Model to prompts comes in. We are now in prompt book inside a large tech support assistant. The prompt handles issue classification, resolution generation based on the inputs from the user. We open the model, drop down, see the selections that is available, and there are standard GPT-4o, premium GPT-4o1, Foundry models that are in preview like Grok, Mistral, GPT-4, even GPT-5, or your fine-tuned GPT-4 from Foundry. So when do you need a modular task-specific control? Perfect for tasks like summarization, classification, or field extraction. This also lets you experiment with open source models like Mistral or 5.4 on a specific steps without changing your full agent pipeline. We now test how different model responds to the structured helpdesk scenario. Grok 1 handles real-time task well, but response lacks domain nuances. Mistral, lightweight and fast, useful for basic text generation. GPT-4.1, more coherent and structured, understands help desk SOPs. GPT-5 early preview shows promising contextual reasoning. We simulate a typical request after selecting the one that we would want to go with finally. And I'm facing an error with Outlook and I can't send emails. Each model is tested directly from the prompt editor, like you can see here. No need to publish. We finalize on GPT 401, which provides the most complete structured output. Now let's raise the complexity. We want this prompt to also process uploaded image, like user sharing a screenshot for their error. So here's something that I would like to highlight while we are in the prompt editor. When we enable image input, Copilot Studio does something smart. It automatically filters the model list and showing only those models that support multi-model inputs. We select GPT-4.1 vision model here for multi-model processing. Now let's test the agent in real time. We first submit a text-only request. I'm facing an error with Outlook. The agent triggers the image error topic. Even without an image, pulls the response for the logic block we just wired with GPT-4.1. The model generates a crisp triage response. Next, we test with uploading a screenshot. The agent instantly reads the image, pulls in the key context like certificate warning text, and delivers a tailored response. When we want a granular control, bring your own model to prompt is a way to go. And as you saw, smart filtering ensures only the vision capable models show up for image task. So with bring your own model to prompts, we gain a freedom to compose highly specialized agent, mixing models across tasks while maintaining full transparency and performance.
And that's just a beginning. With Copilot Studio and Azure AI Foundry, you don't have to choose between agility and intelligence. You get both. Trust me, it gets even more powerful. So catch you in the next episode where agents really start thinking like a team.